In this video I'm going to show you how to make a poll on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your Snapchat and there click on that icon just beside the record button here, and then select some picture. I'll select that one. After that, tap on that icon with plus at the top left here. Select if you wish to publish this to your story. I'll tap cancel, and then select here at the right stickers icon. Then on that screen you need to tap on that poll icon right here, and now you can create a poll. You can ask a question here. Just tap here and start typing your text, and also you can select these images. Just tap on the picture and here scroll and tap on images you want to use, and then when you're done, just tap done, and now you can change the position of your poll. You can resize it, you can rotate it as you want, and after you finished with your poll, just continue creating your snap as you normally do. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.